Hi friends. Welcome to Flip Amp, friends. I'm Flip. Today we're going to learn about money.
Hey friends, I found a coin. I wonder what it is? Oh, here comes my friend Thomas Turtle, maybe he knows. Hey Flip, how's it going? What do you got there? It looks like a coin. Yeah, I found a coin but I'm not sure what it is for. Lucky for us there's Ms. Moneypenny, we can ask her. Hi Flip, what did you find there? I found a coin but I'm not sure what kind? Well, let's ask the coin. Hi, I'm Flip and these are my friends Thomas and Ms. Moneypenny. Do you mind me asking what kind of coin are you?
I will give you a hint, I am a type of money. What's money? Money helps people buy things that we need and sometimes things we want. But did you know that money can also help us save? Before we spend, we save first. Remember, always save and pay your piggy first. Thanks for learning about money with us, friends. Today we learned that a penny is money. And money can help us buy things we need. And sometimes things we want. But the most important thing we learned is we save first. Pay your piggy bank first. And guess what? There are more money friends coming soon. Like Donna the Nickel. And Buck Bill. And even more coins and dollars too. We'll learn all about them next time.
Thanks for learning about money with me, friend. Before you go, I'd like you to meet more of my friends. Here comes Moo Moo Cow. And Danny Duck. Next is Rollin' Rabbit. And of course, Wise Oma Owl. Look, it's Zuli the Zebra. And Tiny but Mighty. And Mari the Ant. And last, Terry Alley Cat the Banker. We're all here to help you learn about money. One fun lesson at a time. Bye friends. Remember slow and steady, calm and ready. See you next time.